Hi, this is another video of BDF application that we are developing. So let's start the application. Let's wait. That's the splash screen with some text and an image. After a few seconds, it loads up to the home screen where on top you are seeing some action bar like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, WhatsApp, events and news. These are the banner that you can control with some image, video and text. You can look at over here in a new window, and there is a play option also.
Our 300 plus members employ.
Whatever is written there, it will be spoken out. There are categories. You can search through those categories, or you can directly go into any category and load up the pages. You choose a category, you choose the subcategory, and the pages would be loaded up. Okay. This entire application has been developed as a skeleton, so you can control the entire application. For example, look at this. There is nothing as such for now which is in the cards category. Okay, so how you do that? You go to the admin control and log in with your avatar, and you can control. You want to control the categories, go to the categories. You want to control the cards, you want to change some information, you can do that. You want to control the background. Okay, so let's change the background. You want to control the foreground. Let's change the foreground. You want to change the category icon. You can change the category icon. Save this. Okay, let's create some pages. You want to update it, you can update the broader text. Create new pages. Save the page. Cards 1, cards 2, like so. You can create a text and put a heading around it. Let's say heading, any heading. Cards 1 looks okay to me. Save it. You can create as many pages as you want. Second would be I want to create an image. You can choose from the icons or your uploaded image. So I want to go with this for now. And for the another page, I want to just go with an image or a video. You can do that like so. Okay, you can control the other stuff like configurations, like main blog, where that is coming from your website, the contact us information, Facebook links, WhatsApp links, etc. You can control the image, splash image, for example this one. You can control the text, maximum 3 lines, but you can do so. Events, that is coming from your website. Application color, I want to change the application color. Okay, and application text. Okay, you can also upload various images and videos over here. You can control the settings, passwords and emails, and control the banner information. Okay, the combination of text, image and video. Let's look at the application now. Let's restart the application. As you can see, it's been updated. Text is been updated, icons been updated, and background color is been updated. Nested page is also updated like so. Okay, there's a support category also. You save the information. I mean, if anyone contacts you, query's been saved and it's been recorded over here. As you can see, contact me SAP. You can reply directly from here. He'll contact you. And the mail response would be sent. Okay. You can see all the responded queries in the red color. You can go back and see what you have responded. You can create a new response or resend that response. Okay. It will be available in your email. So the person would receive the email and the format would be like this, which obviously can be tweaked and we can control it. So that's all about the application. Hope to hear the feedback soon. Thank you.